Nigella damascena, better known by its common name, love in a mist, is a stunning ornamental from ancient times. Its delicate, lace-like foliage belies its hardy growing nature. This wild flower was refined by English garden designer Gertrude Jekyll, and thanks to her, the blooms are still a top choice for flower gardens and flower arranging. Love in a mist is aptly named as the feathery foliage creates a mist of chartreuse. Lovely azure, pink, and white blooms are suspended in the haze, making for an ethereal look in the flower garden. The dainty flowers give way to striped, spiky seed pods. Cut and dried, the pods add a unique flair to more traditional dried arrangements. Nigella grows native as a wildflower in rocky soils from southern Europe to northern Africa. Domestication of this unusual-looking member of the buttercup family can be traced back to Europe in the 1500s. Miss Jekyll's love in a mist may be the most famous Nigella variety. Gertrude Jekyll was one of the most influential garden designers and landscape plant experts of the 19th century. Jekyll was an astute naturalist and fine artist from a young age. Trained as a painter, it's said that poor eyesight caused her to turn her creativity toward landscape design instead. Her gardens were often compared to watercolor paintings, and indeed they were a refreshing departure from the stiff and regimented style of Victorian-era garden design. Her encyclopedic knowledge of plants and her knack for writing and teaching made her a garden superstar. She wrote 15 gardening books and designed over 400 gardens in her lifetime. Jekyll was also an accomplished plant breeder, and several of her creations remain staples in the garden today. At her home nursery of Munstead Wood, she created 30 unique varieties, including timeless classics such as Munstead Strain Lavender and Miss Jekyll's Love in a Mist. Thanks to their wild nature, Love in a Mist seeds thrive in poor soil. Sown in bare patches of the garden, they create a blanket of color where other flowers would struggle. This cool weather annual self-sows and is easy enough to grow in children's gardens. Love in a Mist is related to Nigella sativa, whose seeds are used as a spice in Middle Eastern cuisine. Thanks so much for watching Seed Stories. We love bringing you the backstory on these amazing varieties. Be sure to click the subscribe button so you won't miss a single episode.